Hey guys, this is our ABC writing tablet, page 49 and 50. All right, we are going to be working on our letter D. Our lowercase d is a teenage letter. He can go in the upstairs and the downstairs. All right, and so you're gonna do a ball in the downstairs under the dotted line. A ball, and then a pull down. And I like to try to remind you that the letter D has a diaper in the back. A ball with a pull down. A ball and a pull down. Ball and a pull down. Good. All right, your uppercase D is going to be in the upstairs and the downstairs. It's going to be a pull down with a big belly. 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 Good. Circle the pictures that begin with the D sound. All right, here we have a D, dog. Yes, I hear D, D. All right, here we have a D, deer. Do you hear D, D? Yes, here I have a full flower. Full flower. Do you hear D, D? No. What about, what about a balloon? Balloon. No, we're not going to get that one. That's the letter B. I hear the sound of the letter B. This is a dress. Dress. Do you hear the D sound? Yes. What about a kite? Kite. No. Let's flip over on the back. Make a ball and a pull down. A ball and a pull down. Pull down with a big belly. Pull down with a big belly. Woo. All right. The letter U is a smile and a pull down. A ball with a big, with a pull down, and then a smile with a pull down. That's duh, as in duck. Trace the D, pull down with a big belly, make a ball with a pull down. Good, guys.